Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibynta ban Rakhe ya kasi bakar panggi kenthe ka M.A.C Cosmetics haringkat ka jingya lang bat uba badap hinyota jong ka BH Accentuate Makeup and Hair Academy kila pelong ya ka free makeup masterclass ha shoppers stop ha kani kasi kilong kami ki samla kilawan bani Shibynta ban sngap ya kani ka masterclass ka baar kanta shiteng ka bala pelong ha kani kasi ki bawan bani sakhi ya kani ka jing ai jing hikai ki dan kumbah nyo phongud Habakran halor kani kasni bakarpang uba hinyota ula ay kublay kerpang ya ka M.A.C Cosmetic kabadai ka international brand kabala khot u ban ay jing hikai kumban pin bahabriw yaladi kata ka masterclass halor ka jing pin bahabriw ulo ong banakalyang ka jong ula dan bentalang bat kani ka company ka bapin mi ya ka jing ta pin bahabriw na ka benta ki samla kenthe bat ulaya trei tengru bat kani ka company hanong ba Delhi hapadeng usnem arjar khat ar hadu arjar khat saw Uba abadap ulayatu bakini ki bawani Shibynta ki de ki riopat ba ki bas ngautanat ban pen bhabriu yala die kani ka jing hikai ka de kumnu ban pen phu yala die ban pen itanat man kasni uba hinyota uloong ba ula hikai ya kinong Shibynta kumnu ban bu ya ka jing ta akhmat ne ki foundation na ka banta ki jat sne do baper
Fallout, less fallout. By now, if you use any other brand with a fallout, on the upper lid, upper lash line, just give it a smoky effect on the corner. You start, take one dot here, take one line, open. Let's call a guideline. Small tail, see? Tail. Okay, you want the wood here. It's got a wood upper this line. Go up. Mark a thin line. In case you make mistake, you can still remove it. You can still remove it with Q-tips. They can move up. But if you draw a line, then you remove the whole thing is called the eyeshadow. Tip of one eyeliner.
Habang ala yo one hagi when yo model yo shibana sa ila kay bun hagi tips and tricks mga music and makeup yala di kadto di but as tunado pagkadi haka international women's day yo ban embrace yala di as women and yo ban enhance the looks through makeup and nila ban individuality to me as we go through our lives through makeup and fashion. Personal thing here. I'm just modeling for him.
Did you attend them to the class?
This is my first time.
Kaya benefit for you training dasi.
First thing ngayon aban do so many kinds of people hari ngayon aban interact with so many kinds of people and Joshua he has a lot of connections, so it's good to know him and everything.
Kadang sukumen baka di kasi Women's Day, kadi kasi jungi kikan tay di kamtam duning ibon ki samlan re mga di bakam. Hedu atray na barokon tinga kemet ngai kublay ni tamu nga tip bahal kateng ngasitip information kandet baidan hangnim ta kasi nga suwan kawan di kandet nga asu i mga yo kandet kijing Kambun deh kandiat nama ni tip kandiat bila yo kambun ni ayu ublay ba nang ni sakmat kinambun ni kana samla ke banang yo ban beteng ni kanita kamtam nilai nang kam ay kata kacing ban kanyan halong ban susu bahay kini kicing kuno nang beauty lani ikam lajong mo kumaong no na bahay lang nang dengan itu ka nang yo nang pen ai mesin susu yang gikan thai entam si kini kita nak sama berpan but tak yang nong
Program tasi bengile ane apo super stop kede baki invite apo super stop yang ane and first of all ngai go you play ba la play nekala sin yang aban baka academy jangan lain ka accentuate bandio ketika collaboration baka shop stop and M.A.C Cosmetic ketika one of the international brand mo la trade besar po Delhi M.A.C Cosmetic akan like so I'm very grateful to the company also M.A.C Cosmetic for inviting me to conduct masterclass on behalf of Women's Day. So as we all know Women's Day ketika sidang ikan time dak skemo abang ikan time celebrate neki product neki jain neki riam ki bait neki do ki dar kam taken si kembali event ta make up to help ki can help and empower and uplift the kicken and be kini bon kini iconic kini actress kini makeup artist ki top kini Pat McGrath, Bobby Brown, Rihanna kini big influencer mo. So makeup is like one thing in Becky. Why we did today masterclass in Hey Mtaski, like I told you, but makeup can rap iki ban enhance more feature can long more confident ke mo. Tangum ta, and I'm very happy that a lot of people taxi class and I hope you all enjoyed. See, like it's a mixed crowd mo. Kamti bahagi one of your through social media, advertisement, and then few of them kiri student and then the rest kiri barabar kiri bang amitho. Kiri social media kiri advertisement, mixed crowd. Kiri makeup artists, kiri makeup artists ru one learn self makeup also mo. For more information also you can maybe click yang
तो kadang pakai kena kayak
jadi kan M.A.C kali pang self grooming, self makeup tu daily makeup male kemudian day ko alik party ko alik office sometime mo tak no banta ka foundation on different skin type mo. Sometimes different skin type, oily skin, dry skin, okay. Almost 2.5 hours now.
kan lumut kena gon.
Kiwan kemba I think report right?